This video will walk you through the process of updating the software on your TeeJet IC38. First, to determine the current software version, go to the home screen and click on the menu button. From the menu, click Help and then the About button, which will then display the software version number at the top of the screen. The IC38 software update files can be downloaded on the Salford dealer portal. Contact your Salford dealer to receive these files. If you are a dealer, log into the Salford dealer portal. From the home page, you will see the Resources section with several tiles, including the ECU Software Updates option. Click the tile, and on the following page, scroll down to the BBI Spreaders Pull Type heading. Below this title will be the link to download the latest TeeJet IC38 software file. Once you've clicked the link, the file will be downloaded to the Downloads folder on your computer. The latest software number will be displayed in the file name on the page. If the version number on the file matches the version number on the IC38, then a software update is not required. To update the IC38, upload the TeeJet Run software update folder to a clean USB, ensuring that there are no other files on the USB. Start by powering on the unit and then plug the USB into the IC38. The USB port is located on the side of the unit. If the IC38 is an older model, the front cover will need to be removed, which will expose a USB port on the inside of the unit. Once the USB has been plugged in, there is an LED light that will turn green, indicating that the software update has been downloaded. Once the light has turned green, the USB may be removed. After running the IC38 through a power cycle, the software update will be complete, and the latest software version will be installed for your BBI spreader.